Charlie Munger has passed away. News just came out, breaking news here. I just want to share a few thoughts on this. He just passed away, 99 years old. He was about to turn 100. I believe he was in the next month or so, he was about to turn 100 years old. And Becky Quick actually was going to do some sort of she did an interview recently, a couple of weeks ago, with Charlie Munger. So I'm kind of shocked to hear the news today. Obviously, he was pretty elderly, but the fact that he just did that interview, I think they were trying to do some sort of documentary type thing on him overall, being that he was about to turn 100. And so I'm pretty surprised with the news overall. And just to kind of share some thoughts about Charlie Munger, obviously myself, such a huge Warren Buffett fan, right? And so whenever you kind of look up to somebody as a legend, like I do Warren Buffett, you obviously kind of have to give some respect to the people they have around them, right? And the closest person to Warren Buffett when it came to the investing space was Charlie Munger. And I've obviously heard Charlie Munger speak on so many different subjects over the past 15 years or so. And he always made you think like this is a man that has been through a lot. He's seen a lot over the years. And if you're 99 years old, you're going to see a lot, right? He's seen a lot of good things. He's seen a lot of bad things. And he's going to give it to you how it is. Whether you like that or not is up to you. He's not politically correct. He's not afraid of offending you. And it is what it is. And he did offend a lot of people over time with some of his commentary on different things. And, a lot of people were getting their feelings about that, right? But there's no doubt the man, created a tremendous, fortune for himself. He played the game. He had 8 kids, and good for him. And, you can really do nothing but give him respect overall. So, yeah, it's one of those days you knew it was coming, but I got to say I'm surprised, given that I just saw him doing an interview just a couple of weeks ago. So, anyways, just want to cover that. Obviously I got a big video coming for you guys later today, but I thought it'd be, kind of wrong if I didn't at least cover this and mention it, because I do think, he's a huge name in the investing space overall. Anytime you got Warren Buffett's right-hand man, that's a big deal. So, yeah, rest in peace, Charlie Munger. And, always never take life for granted. Appreciate y'all. Much love as always. Peace.